Hello, I have a Echo gt-225 weed trimmer. I'm having issues with it and am looking for help. It decided not to start one day, so I replaced the spark plug and drained the fuel and put new fuel in it. It started but ran really bad. It would not idle and I had to feather the throttle to keep it running, but too much throttle it would bog down and die. So I went ahead and replaced the fuel filter with new fuel lines and ordered a new carb and rotor cover assembly and replaced them. I also cleaned the spark arrestor. Once again it started but really didn't run too well. I had to end up putting a longer idle adjustment screw in the rotor cover just to get to idle. I am thinking the throttle cable has stretched. Any help would be great.
Hi, will it run at full throttle? If so, does it sound too fast? Or will it not get to full throttle? Did you replace the carburetor itself or just the cover assembly? If you replaced the carburetor, then I would first remove the plastic coverings and see that the cylinder bolts are tight. They come loose from time to time and then the engine will still run, but will not idle and will rev fast, or not at all. If you didn't replace the carburetor, I think you're just going to have a dirty carburetor.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.